On top of it too.
I thought about that, but then I wasn't sure. Okay. So how many feet is this? Is it hot?
Yeah. Don't you see?
Holy shit. A little bit. Okay. So our hydrothermal liquefaction exploded. But it landed like 500 feet away. Let me show you how far you have to go. Excuse me. So it went up over the building, up over those trees. And let me show you what happened to our explosive confinement. Okay, this is why you have to do shit safely. Holy shit. Okay, now you know why we try to be safe.